بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
My name is ROSHI. I'm a bus driver. I drive a school bus. I take children to school in the morning and take them home in the afternoon. They say hello to me every morning, and sometimes they bring cookies or flowers. I love children, so it's a good job for me.
The present simple tense. Affirmative statement. I, you, we, you, plural, they, Shafiq and Asma work every day. He, she, it, my brother works every day. Number 1. Use the present simple tense to talk about habits, likes and dislikes, things that happen regularly.
I like coffee for breakfast, but everyone else in my family prefers tea. I don't take sugar in my coffee. What does Asma usually have for breakfast? They often go to the cinema on Saturdays. I don't usually watch TV.
When we talk about habits, we often add adverbs such as often, always, usually, sometimes, or never, or adverbial phrases such as on Sundays or in the summer. Number 2. Statements that indicate the speaker's opinions or beliefs.
I think she is a very good teacher. I don't agree with that at all.
Add s to the verb for he, she, it, and singular subjects.
He drives to work. She works in an office. The bank opens at 9 a.m.
Simple present spelling rules, s and s endings. 1. Add s to most verbs.
Close closes, love loves, stop stops, dance dances, open opens.
Add s to verbs ending in sh, ch, s, x, and z.
Wash washes, dress dresses, buzz buzzes, teach teaches, relax relaxes.
Change y to I and add s to verbs ending in a consonant plus y.
Carry carries, copy copies, study studies.
Irregular verbs, do, go, and have. The verbs do, go, and have are irregular for he, she, it, and singular subjects.
She goes home at 6:30. He has a meeting at 2:30. John does the laundry on Sunday night.
One. Say s after p, tk, and f sounds.
Stop stops, put puts, work works, laugh laughs.
2. Add s to verbs ending in sh, ch, s, x, and z.
Wash washes, dress dresses, buzz buzzes, teach teaches, relax relaxes.
Kiss kisses, wash washes, judge judges, buzz buzzes, watch watches, relax relaxes.
Number 3. We use the present simple in the statements of fact that are scientific truths or that are about a permanent state.
The sun rises in the east. Birds fly south in the winter. We live in Pakistan.
Number 4. We use the present simple for dramatic narrative to tell a story or describe an action vividly.
He walks slowly to the checkout and puts his bag on the counter. As the cashier opens the till, he draws a gun.
Number 5. We can also use the present simple for planned future actions with a time adverb, for example to talk about travel plans and timetables.
The train leaves at 10:40 a.m. and arrives at 3:30 p.m.
Number 6. We use the present simple in conditional sentences about real possibilities that affect the future.
If I lend you my notes, I won't be able to revise tonight.
Simple present, negative statements. I, we, you, they do not or don't work. He, she, it does not or doesn't work.
Asma doesn't work all day on Saturday. My office does not have a window. She doesn't travel for her job. He doesn't have the same schedule every day. We don't work on weekends. You do not have a busy schedule. I don't work in an office. They do not speak English very well.
Prepositions of time. 1. Many time expressions are prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase is a preposition plus a noun. Two. Remember, use it with specific times and in the phrase at night. Use in with morning, afternoon, and evening. Use on with days of the week and specific dates.
The bank opens at 9 o'clock. We relax at night. We go to work in the morning. We eat dinner in the evening. I don't work on Saturday. The meeting is on Monday afternoon. His birthday is on November 25th.
3. To show when an activity begins and ends, use from, to.
She works from 9 to 5:30.
Four. Use until to talk about an activity that continues up to a specific time.
The bank is open until 4 o'clock.
5. A sentence can have more than one prepositional phrase.
He wakes up at 5:30 in the morning.
To be less specific, we use around and about.
We usually eat dinner at about 8 o'clock. I usually leave work at around 6 o'clock. I like to exercise in the morning. He likes to exercise in the morning. We need to relax today. She needs to relax today. They want to meet every week. He wants to meet every week.
One. An infinitive is to plus the base form of the verb.
He likes to play soccer.
2. Some verbs are followed by infinitives.
We want to play soccer. She needs to call her boss. I like to read.
My job as a teacher.
I am a teacher. I work from 8 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. I teach 4 English classes. In class, I write on the board. I ask a lot of questions. I use pictures when I teach vocabulary. I don't arrive late. At home, I plan my lessons. I correct homework and tests. My advice for new teachers: learn your students' names on the first day.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.